The 5-Minute Gourmet describes and shows you how to make a recipe in 5 minutes. However, the actual preparation and cooking of the recipe may take up to an hour or more. Welcome to the 5-Minute Gourmet, where we show you in 5 minutes how to prepare a really great recipe. Today's recipe is Sally's Sensational Shrimp Salad and comes to us by way of a true Southern belle. This salad can be great as an appetizer or even served as a main course. This recipe's ingredients include 2 pounds of jumbo cooked shrimp, 9 hard-boiled eggs, 9 stalks of medium chopped celery, 1/4 teaspoon no salt seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon curry powder, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. First, we'll start with hard-boiling 9 large eggs. After cleaning and removing the tails from the shrimp, cut the shrimp into thirds. Grate the hard-boiled eggs. Chop the celery into medium slices. Combine all the ingredients into a large bowl. Stir to combine all the ingredients thoroughly. Sally's shrimp salad goes well with toast points or your favorite crackers. Here's a simple, easy, and tasty top crust idea for a homemade pie using instant oatmeal. 1 9-inch large pre-made pie crust, your favorite canned pie filling, maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal, cinnamon, butter pats, 2 sliced green apple. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread some softened butter over the bottom of the entire pie crust. Sprinkle some cinnamon at the bottom of the pie crust. Now add your favorite pie filling, in this case it's caramelized apples, to the bottom of the pie crust. In this case, we've added sliced apples to the top of the caramelized apple filling. Sprinkle the instant oatmeal all over the top of the pie and cover with butter pats. Bake the pie in the oven for 45 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Set your timer for 45 minutes. Remove the pie once the timer is completed. Remove the pie from the oven and let cool for about 30 minutes. It may not be picture perfect, but boy does it taste great, especially with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. That's it for these 5-Minute Gourmet recipes. Make sure to subscribe to the 5-Minute Gourmet for more great recipes.